आशिम
Adit, come on. विराट बढ़िया से विराट.
Forward.
Get back, sir.
मेल फिजियो कर दिया उन्ना इन मतलब ना बोल कर
ಇಲ್ಲೇ
Ishan inside. Sadvik.
ರದ್ನೆ
Advik.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮೋದಿ ಗೇಮ್
ವಿರಾಟ್.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಮನ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ ಫಿಸಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ ನೀರು ತರ್ತೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಅವ್ನು ಬಾಟಲ್ ಅಂತ
ಮೊದಲೇ ಸೋಮಾರಿ ಅವನು
Close up. Easy. Virat up. Ishan, go. Virat.
ಯಾರು ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ ತನಕ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು
Okay, bye. Get back, Virat.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಂತೆ ಲೇಖಂಡ್
Virat. Ashwath.
ಅವನ
Hey, this way.
ಕೇಳಬೇಕು
Now go. Adit. Mithun, don't sleep. Virat. Wait. Ashwath. Keep on. Head.
ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಕೀಪರ್
Oh, what is the number?
किधर गए थे
ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್
Yesterday, what did you make? Jen. Advik. Go. Neeraj.
क्या है ना आज स्क्रीन छोड़ना मेरे को ड्रोन को
Neeraj, you are towards the ball.
ग्राउंड
Neeraj.
उधर थोड़ी जाऊंगा मैं
किधर
मेरे को जयनगर जाना है
Aditesh. Virat.
कैसे जा रहे हैं
Virat.
बाइक से ट्राइपॉड और ये लेके बाइक
Shot.
सोचो शाइन बाइक है शाइन उस पे मैं ये और ये लेके आऊंगा
Wait. Virat, man.
वो ये बैग
चाहिए
Satvik,
मेरे को जाना है क्या
कहाँ निकल जाती है
Satvik.
जयनगर में
ये भी जयनगर को जा रहा है बुलाले को चले जाना है
आप कैसे आए हो बस से हेलमेट नहीं है नहीं तो ले वैसे दिक्कत नहीं है तुम हेलमेट नहीं है तो पुलिस वाला दिक्कत देता है ना मध्य प्रदेश रजिस्ट्रेशन गाड़ी भी यहाँ की नहीं है
फोटो मारा है तो मार ले तू चला
अभी एक लड़का और आ रहा है शायद पता नहीं आएगा नहीं आएगा
Advik.
सिद्धार्थ नहीं आया क्या इधर
सिद्धार्थ कल्याण नगर गया है
सिद्धार्थ तो
Close up, Virat.
वो मेरे को छोड़ के चला
Virat, go close up.
छोड़ दिया था उसने
हाँ वो छोड़ के जाएगा मेरे को
Neeraj.
स्टेडियम
Kamal, close up.
ಅಶೋಕ್ ನಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ರೂಮ್
ಓಟಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಓವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ
ಓವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಎನಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಬ್ರೋ
ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ
Advik.
ವೆನ್
Advik. Mithun.
fine then I'll go home directly
Keeper.
I'll go home directly then now after this game
Virat, go.
ಬೇಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ
but then who will take the camera and the tripod that's the problem
ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ
Keeper. Manit. Keeper.
huh?
ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಗನೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ
Inside border.
I'll ask him to take the tripod at least I won't take it
दीपकना
हाँ और करना ही भाई किस्मत तो वैसे भी अपनी
6 गंटे
है ही यार
6:45
Manit. Look around.
let him come
Manit.
ದೇವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹಂಗೇನೆ
ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ.
Neeraj, little front. Advik, take a man.
Stand up.
Up. Hey.
10 minutes 5 minutes ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬೇಗ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿ ಮನೇಶ್ ಆ ಬಸ್ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮುಂದೆ
Get back, Sadhvik, closer. Virat. Easy, कोई नहीं है. Go. Hey, up.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೋದು?
17 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ
Inside.
ಹಾಂ
Wait. Jen, take it. Sadhvik, take it. Jen, stay. Virat. Advik. Stand up. Neeraj.
आपका यहाँ से मेरा तो 23
Sadhvik.
किलोमीटर.
ಸೇಮ್ ವೈ 23
Sadhvik, get back. Go inside. Abol. Leo. Go. Press. Get back. Neeraj, center Neeraj. Wait, be ready. Rudra.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಗೋಲ್
यार वहां से मारेगा. Up. Nishan.
ಅಂಡರ್ 13
Sadhvik, go closer. Yeah, that's enough. Adit, light. Wait, ask the ball. Ishan. Wait.
ಆ ಕೆಟಗರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
Vidul.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹತ್ರ ನೋಡಬೇಕು.
Line. Ishan.
ರೇರು ಟೀಮ್ಗಳು
Up. Stay.
ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು.
Ishan, go. Keep it, ball. Easy.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Easy, Sadhvik, go ball.
थोड़ा बॉल मैन.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ ಫುಲ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರು ಕೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ವಿಲಿಯಂ ಬೈಯೋ ಕೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಸ್ಸಾಂ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಬಾಲ್ ಬೈಟ್. ಓ ನಾನು ನಂಬಲ್ಲ. ಈ ತರ
Number 2.
Then
Milan, Milan, keep. Milan. Hey, Milan. Milan. Move the ball. Milan. Keep it open.
So he's not in a jersey number 2. So what, that person who scored the 7 is not in the jersey number 2. So but what number is there in the CMS?
Play. Hey, keeper, play, man.
No, because I want to know the name. I'm not verifying. I want.
Tanab Shetty.
Everything is approved, even I know. Everything is approved. I don't know why.
This is the last match he played. He is NSDL. Virat, come on, boy, come on, Virat.
That's it. No, he only scored. No.
Wait, come on, take the ball. Very casual, huh? Hey, Nakul, don't be casual.
कितना बिटबुल बात बिटने तो जब
Get back.
करते नहीं तो
Purple throw.
You're giving hand, he's saying throw.
Throw only. Last is
Sadik, go run.
Yes, buddy.
कितना आ गया? Go, press, William. Go, man. Hey, close. Wait, keeper, away. हाँ, ठीक है, nice. Go. Go, press. Nakul, hey. Vishmay, don't go that much high. Go. Together. Milan. Be ready.
ರಾಮ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಥೋड़ा ಹೈಟ್ था ना
ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಚೇರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಚೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸರಿ ಇದಾಕ್ಸವ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
With the body.
What's your problem?
It's not hand. It's the body.
handball.
When hands are away from the body, you give one.
It's away from the body only. It was a handball. It is away from the body only. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್
ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇನ್ ಥರ
ಸ್ಪ್ರೇನ್ ಥರ
Hey, Vishmay, playing why no one is behind.
ಅದು ಹೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
One stay behind.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕಣ ಅದನ್ನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ
Easy, Vitul. Ask for ball. Vishmay, drop in the line. Oi, Dagat. Ball, Sadik, ball. Milan, stay here. No, don't play high. Milan. Virat, ball. Virat, ball, Sadik, ball.
ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್
Ajitesh. We'll take it direct.
ಲಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ
Up. Hands up, Satwik. Turn up. Milan, don't go too high, Milan.
ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ
Milan, drop, Milan. Hey, keeper, run up. ಇಶಾನ್ ಅವಳ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಶಾನ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಳೆದು ಬಿಡ್ಲು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಪಾಸ್
when we have the ball use the line
I had some injury.
when we have the ball use the line and then you can go inside
Well playing. Lower side play ಅಣ್ಣ? Which club ಅಣ್ಣ? Which club is
start ball over side
ಲೋಕಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ
ಯಾಕಣ್ಣ?
ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್
ಟ್ಯಾಟೂ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರೋದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು?
ಆಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಯಾಕಣ್ಣ?
ಕೆಲಸ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್
ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ
ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಟಾಟ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ
easy keep it
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಡುಗರನ್ನ ಹೋಗೋದು
playing too close Jana
ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಹೋಗೋದು
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ
2020
hey Milan too high you're playing stay down man
Covid back.
too high it is
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ
ಗೋಲ್ ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ
ಅವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದೇ
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ ಎರಡೇ ರೀಸನ್
ಒಂದು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬೈದಿದ್ದೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಗಿರ್ಗಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಯ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ
hey no man Nakul
ನಮಗೆ ಏನೋ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ರು ಹೋದಪ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ
ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾನ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು
ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ
triplets lead up good pass
ನಮ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ
Milan Manit look around take decision then Milan keep the ball hey, play too high then a problem someone has to stay behind one
ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ 5,000 6,000 7,000 ನಾವು ಅದ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ 2,000 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್
ಯಾವ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಯಾವ
2017 ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು 10,000 ಅವಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್
ಡಾಲರ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ
Juan Jana which you are too close Nakul which you are playing too close go
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಶೂ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಡಿ ಸಂಡೇ ಬಜಾರಿಗೆ 500
ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ನಡೀತಿರೋ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಜರ್ಸಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ
ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ
ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಹೈ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಸೈಜ್ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
CR7 ಶೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಸೀಟಾಗಿ ಅವಂದೇ ಐತಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತವ್ರೆ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Hi Vimal, this is Manan. Where are you?
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು
I'm Manan.
ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah. Which side? Like which area are you in right now? Like how much time will it take?
ಅವ್ನು ಕೊಡಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ
ಅವಂದೇ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ
30 minutes. Oh, okay. Marathali, all right, fine. Take your time, I'll film. So, I think you'll be there after this game ends. So, is it fine if you record one full game? Because I've been recording since morning. Okay, fine. You come, I'll let you know. Yeah.
ಓಪನ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್
ದಿನದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ.
Or a goal.
ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ
Water break?
क्या वाटर
बोल दिया पहले कोच को. मैं सबसे ज़्यादा खुश हूँ.
अभी लास्ट मैच लेट हो जाएगा मेन रेफरी भी असिस्टेंट यार वो दो लोग चले जाएंगे नहीं तो क्यों करना ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಶ್ಮೀರ್
Ashwat. Stay in the center. Nakul, stay on the box. Top of the box. Yeah, enough, Nakul, enough. First ball, Jonah. Lift your hand, Aditya.
ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪ್ರೇಮಣ್ಣ ಚಿರೋಣ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಾರೆ ಯಾವ ತಲೆನೋವು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ
Yeah, Sandeep sir, number.
See guys, he's not providing the option.
That's very.
Advait!
Search fast.
Clear. Virat, be ready. Who's the keeper if you want? Wait. Ishan, don't go, Ishan. Hey, keeper. Virat! Nakul. Fall. Virat! Second ball. Adit. Gagan. Up. Press. Virat, switch. Simply. Nakul. Between the ball and the goal.
Nice one.
Virat. Go. Keep back. Keep back your ball. Got it. Easy, take. Milan, that's what I'm telling you.
ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್
It will happen again. It is going too high.
Camera
Nakul, stay with him.
Nakul, he gives you. Go down, close out.
Hey!
हाँ ठीक है walk नीरज hey up चल मिल गया good one Rudra close up Virat Sadvik go inside man to man Aditesh
फोन है तुझे लाना
Neeraj Nishan Ajitesh up
हेलो सर
shot
रखना सर
Virat
सर इसमें सर सर मैंने
come on
Ruan, go up. React this way. Very good, Milan. This way, Milan. Very good, yeah, very good.
Nishan
Jona, take it good way. Not like this.
hey Jona
Focus. Milan, this way. Better. No problem.
go for the ball Sadvik up Sadvik get back Sadvik
Come on, home. Go, Ashwat, go. Go, Nakul.
ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗೈತೆ
Good, Jagan.
ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ
play stay shot
ಹೌದು
good yaar go
ಇವತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗೋ 4 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ 1.5 hours
easy
Come on. Use the width. Go, go.
Sadvik support Neeraj support Sadvik support
ಏನಂದ್ರು
ಹೌದು ಹೆಂಗೋ ಮೇನ್ ಜರ್ಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ
Come on, Ashwat.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೆ
Go, you only go.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ
go press
ಆಟಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ
Sadvik
ದೀಪಕಣ್ಣ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಆಟಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ
shot
ಹೆಂಗೋ ಬಾಲ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
No, Vitul. Don't force it, Vitul.
ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು
Good, Milan.
ಟೀಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರು ನೀವು
Playing it now, Jona.
ಅದು ಬಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಯಾರು ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಯಾರು ಎಗರಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು
They are playing low. Pull them up.
ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್
Nishan
Ashwat, don't go inside. Ashwat, come wider, man.
ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ
When we have the ball.
position Advik
Switch the game. Switch.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
come on man switch
ಅದೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ
Nishan
ಫೋನ್
your
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫೀಲ್
Sadvik support switch wait get it wait
Play keeper. Play.
up man Sadvik
What is he doing?
Oi Nishan switch Sadvik
Nakul, be in the center, Nakul.
easy go Advik
Ruan. Don't go with the ball. Pull them up first. Then you create space.
Aswad go Aswad close out
ಸೈಡ್ ಸೋರ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗಿರೋದು ಹಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ
Ruan. Hey, Ruan.
ಬಿಸಿಲಿಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮಿಡ್ ಸಮುದ್ರ
ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಮೊಸರನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ಲ, ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ತಿಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹೇಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ರ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್
चल up right go
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
get the ball Adil, get the ball
give na
What?
give it to them. He was grabbing, right? Who started?
No, he's giving a
wait
He giving to Purple.
the line watch out offside
he's giving his decision. It's big calm down.
His decision is wrong. That's what I'm telling you. You are a fourth official.
No, his decision is
Come on, man.
up Neeraj Satvik get back man Satvik hey up get back Satvik get back stay
Take him now, Tanav.
Hey, cameraman, active up.
Take him, Tanav, you can do it, boy. Jana, come on, Jana!
up keep on
Hi, Milan. Hey, Jana, what is wrong with you?
nice game come on sir good one
Yeah. It's given 30 plus extra.
easy Ishan
Get ahead, boy.
Ishan leave it Rudra don't Rudra easy no ball Ishan Adit center Adit yeah that's good center
Vishway, don't play high,
Rudra.
Vishway. On the line.
got it Neeraj Gio take a shot get back Ishan ball back Satvik Satvik don't go save Advik Ishan closer Ishan Rudra closer save easy Satvik Jayant no ball
December.
hey
How's your
yeah
leg?
ball Jana
It's
ball
fine now.
Fine. Which team is winning?
Jayant
Huh?
Which team has scored a goal?
get back
Minerva.
Jayant your ball left
2 हफ्ते पहले शेर हो गया था पैर में.
Go on, go inside, go on.
अभी हो गया ठीक. काम तो करना पड़ेगा ना, जान खाते हैं.
नहीं 2 हफ्ते में This is two into ball.
Then in room now, I not give you mobile.
Jonah is there. Your place is taken with Jonah.
Yes, take.
Ruan, you're playing a striker. Go inside.
Easy. Yeah, very good. This is what I want. Good one. Better. Very good.
save Ishan Advik
Aryan.
Ishan on the road wait ball
अरे वार्म अप करो भाई. चल वार्म अप.
come closer Ishan
Nakul, you don't watch. Get a space.
Turn up, turn up. Milan, just give a direction. Why you have to do this? Just tap it. Oh, left side, quick run. Which side is the ball? Good inside.
अब क्या करना है ब्रो ब्रो फोर्थ ऑफिशियल को
हाँ बुला लो.
Nakul. Got it, Mitul.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಏನು
ನಂಬರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ
Come Aryan, go. Good luck.
Yes sir.
Active.
should be
Mitul, play striker. Run.
Jersey number 15.
Now you two.
Satwik! Satwik!
Turn up.
ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್
On the line and kill Gagan. No, in a situation.
Ishan run! Ishan go!
You can sit here.
Deep in my bag now. Black bag.
Play up only between these two. Don't come out.
Hey, Virat! Switch! Ishan! Sam, that huh?
Turn up, go up. Turn up.
Up! Adit! Virat! Rudra! Virat! Closer! Virat, closer!
Up. On your ball.
Go! Go easy! Go on, Ishan! Ishan, your ball!
Keep quick, man.
Got it, Virat! Got it, Advik! Here! Switch! Ishan! By shot!
Abe, क्या साला.
Ready, hut! Come on, boy!
Hey, Om.
Hello.
This is left side.
Oh!
Yeah. Come in. If the guard asks you, I'll send you the pass. Just show it.
Om, shift.
मजाक कर रहा था मैं ये नहीं कि तू तेरा फ्रेंडली हो जाएगा Bob
Hello. I'm just forwarding it to you. Yeah, I sent it to you. Just check.
Mitul.
Closer, Advait, closer. Wait, come on, Wait, come on, Wait. Virat, come on, man.
Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up.
Let him go back, Wait.
Very good, no problem. Very good, no problem. Build up again. Manit, no Manit. Easy Manit. Hey Manit. Turn.
Keep on, go. Hold it. Long ball, go for a long ball. Come on, man, Advait. Go, Virat, go!
Drop, Ruan. Vitul straight, Vitul.
This is already done, na?
Gagan, twist it back.
Get back! Advait! Virat!
Turn up play.
Virat! Adit, scan Adit. Rudra behind you. Up! Virat! Got it! Ishan!
Go.
Ishan, go!
Don't take it down, sir.
Leo.
Let me take it. Very good. Now
Get back to
look up, no victory going on.
कुछ डाला था देना उसका
Money easy.
Yeah, Milton. Yeah. You are walking like you're walking inside, right? Yeah, come straight. From dead end take a left and then you'll see some like buses parked over there. Come straight from there. You ask the guard. He will be sitting there. He'll tell you where it is. No. You don't have to go into any building.
tell him to walk by road.
Just follow the road. Like the road will directly lead you to the ground. There will be security guards. Ask them. Yeah. Yeah, ask them. Yeah, come.
Pass and go.
Ishan stays. Good one. Stay. Come on, Advait, got it. Push him, man. Stay, Shwet. Ishan.
Hey,
Face the ball.
drop.
Face the ball.
Run. Alert.
Virat, go.
Jonah.
Virat, Advait. Easy, Ishan. Shift.
Look up.
Shift, Advait.
What's the run of Putul, man?
Wait. Keep up.
Oye, मार रहा है यार. अरे यार.
Come on, man, Neeraj.
You need man fire.
How are you? Fine. Okay. Bro, I'm dying, bro. Me too, bro. What? How many matches happened in BFS?
Bro, it's, there are more matches, bro. Today, if I stay there, I will go home by 10.
10 in the night
Yeah.
in BFS.
And till 8, there are fixtures.
Yeah, so it's like 2 more matches and we're done. Yeah.
Super Manan. That's what I need.
You should tell if you want like to go somewhere. First of all, where it ends before, just talk to Priyanshu before ops. He'll put you there. But then the guy who came here,
mandatory for everyone to.
yeah, ops is mandatory for everyone.
Okay.
Like whatever your role is, you have to like be a part of the ops.
What if I ask Sachin to.
I mean, you can talk, but then he will say that it is a part of your job. He'll say that. Oh.
Get back.
So like what I've been recording, like this is the 3rd game I've been recording, 3 hours straight, standing 3 hours. And look at the sun, I'm dying. You said inside cooler is there, you can drink water also, it's there. Inside bottles are there. No, I'll come just after this one. 2 more, I think.
Go the ball, one of you.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? 2 हैं.
अभी एक ही है बस नेक्स्ट इसीलिए बोल रहा था कि मेरा आप
अब उतनी भी जान नहीं बची, सच बोलूं तो मैं तो खड़ा नहीं रहा जा रहा.
लास्ट और एक मिनट
नहीं यार 2 हैं.
है ना
हाँ 4 ही हैं. 5 थे फिक्सचर में तो.
Ishan, go. Cross. Get back.
5 है यार.
कैंसिल हुआ शायद एक
सबसे नीचे वाला देखो क्या है. जूम नोट करके देख लो.
थोड़ा कोई एब्सेंट रामन
कैंसिल है क्या वो वाला गेम? ये वाला 3 बजे दिखाते रहे. रूट से अच्छी है ना उसके बाद. हाँ ये तो है ही. 5 गेम ही है मेरे ख्याल से. अच्छा है, ख़त्म हो जाए तो मेरे को तो क्या है, दिक्कत ही नहीं है. मज़े से घर जाऊँगा. वो कहाँ है?
तो कैमरा पीछे लगा ना
क्या
ये सेटअप थोड़ा पीछे
पीछे लेंगे तो डंडे ही बीच में आ जाएंगे वो गोल की जगह, इसलिए थोड़ा आगे रख रखा है.
Keep on the ground, man. Hey.
Push him now. Come on, Ishan. Hey, run.
Oh, keep it on the ground. Go. East face. Napun, keep him on chest. Stand up.
ऑरेंज टीम कौन सा
Stand up.
हाँ,
ऑरेंज टीम कौन सा
ऑरेंज मिनरवा और दूसरी कॉन्शियंट.
Up.
दूसरी वाली कॉन्शियंट.
Middle flank.
Good tackle. Good one. Stay near us.
Right. That's right. Next time. Oh.
Ishan, go support Ishan. Ishan, switch. Ishan. Get back. Closer. Hey, Ishan, get back, Ishan. Ishan, your man.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you need the team sheets?
Yeah, team sheet and are you going
Yeah,
to start on time or is it
Mila,
delayed?
No, we are ahead of time.
So 1:30 exactly it will start.
Yeah.
Ashar,
This
go.
is the second half going on.
Milan,
I suppose it will
stay,
still
stay,
115,
stay, stay.
I think
120.
they'll have lunch break
Milan,
referees.
stay. Ishmael, go.
No.
No, we haven't given any breaks like.
Stand up.
William.
Lunch break irukuma.
You go eat lunch by the time. This place is very sorted. For like if you come here, no, it is very close from your place. Like Belandur to here is like what, maybe 10 kilometers, which is actually better. No traffic in the morning also, like 8, 9 you come.
But if I come by bus,
Drop.
it's showing around 1.3 hours.
What?
If I come by
From bus. You know that Belandur junction where Sarjapur road goes like this and one road goes towards our office, towards Marathalli. You know that junction, I'll tell you it.
Jersey number? What is your jersey number? Come here.
Keep the ball. Come on, boys. Focus. Little more focus now. Come on. 20 more minutes we have. 20 more minutes we have.
Is it getting over?
Milan.
Is it getting over?
I think two more matches. So last kickoff, it was one or two matches. I'll just confirm with him. If one more match, it will get over by 3. Full enjoy then. Go home and sleep.
Om. Pass and go. Only wing you can dribble. You are going inside and you are dribbling there.
He's asking for team list.
वो विलियम दे देगा.
विलियम ही पूछा.
वो तो मेरे पास थोड़ी है.
Quick play.
Get back, Virat. Virat, don't go. Anil bhai, don't go. Stay. Virat, your ball. Yeah, stay with him. He's on your ball. Switch. Give now. Shift. Advik.
Very late, Ruan. Play one time to Vitul, one time. You are not playing to Vitul, single time. Vitul is playing your play.
Anil bhai. Neeraj, stay. Clear. Anil bhai. Go. Virat, go. Good ball. Ishan, come on, baby. Get back, Ishan.
Vitul.
Stay. Advik, stay.
Good one. Good. Again. Nice one.
Neeraj.
Aryan! Stay on side.
विलियम.
Stay wide. Don't go inside. Run. Aryan.
विलियम lunch is ready.
Coach is going on telling many things.
Lunch is ready.
Yeah, lunch is ready. Go.
Arey, you go first. By the time you come back, this game will get over, so that you can come back easily and record. Then you won't be hungry. You see that stairs over there where uncle is standing behind this goalpost. Go inside straight. Bas wahi lunch hall. That's the lunch hall. Go straight. It's there inside. Go. Then come.
I'll take care of you, William. Nobody asked me to 2 minutes here.
Okay, substitute. Keep the ball. Go back.
2 minutes.
All the substitutes, go back.
How many matches? 2 more games or 1 game? Kodugu FC is cancelled.
Substitutes, please go back.
I cancelled.
Only 1 match is last.
Take his. Yeah, take it. That is his. Take it.
JPS. Good.
Okay, get back, boys.
Line up. 110.
लगा कि मेरे को करना है.
I'll do.
हाँ.
Take it for some time. Why so hard?
नहीं. So we are doing it since morning. I don't know how many matches we have done.
No, this is the first batch I'm doing. First batch.
Keep changing man.
So make it a full match.
Goal kick. Last under 15. Under 13 is it? 9 minutes. Not that.
Shift, shift, shift. Shift.
स्टार्ट ही था क्या वो?
Easy Advik, easy Advik. Get back. Neeraj stay. Easy Advik, easy Advik. Hard. Come on guys, come on guys. Come on, that was your man. Come on. Advik. Close up. Virat, come on. Virat. Nihan. Nihan. Come on. Nihan, take it. What division? Idad, board, Idad. Adit, take it. Virat, go. Virat, go. Go there. Get back, Adit. Close up, man. Close up, man. Virat. Ishan.
Take time. Minute. 30.
30 is the number. CMS.
30, yes. His number is 30. Her number is 30.
Okay. Rep change.
Rep.
Okay.
Play forward. Rep.
change. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8.
हाँ yeah. What? No, it should be there. No.
Closer.
Physio there?
No.
Forward throw, Ishan. Advik.
No, don't ask the security. You went to the end where the counter is.
Go play.
No, not up. Come down.
Stay there. Adit, talk. Man, tell them to stay up.
Go down on there.
Yeah, take a left now. Take a left inside.
Neeraj.
Not there, Vimal. हाँ अंदर. Yeah, go straight now.
Alvay, go.
Yeah. Eden come.
Ball it, Advik. Go.
Next time, it's okay. Next time, keep on the front. Good try. Now go inside. Tanvika, go inside. This side, not there. Little inside. Ruan.
Adit, no, Adit. Stay, Adit.
Good Ruan, good shot. Go. Just the ball. Good one.
Tanvika, go.
Go, Tanvika. Win the ball. Good one. Play forward now. Up again. Good one. Good fight. Tanvika. Good fight.
Up. Neeraj, come on, man. Go for the ball, Ishan. Body, Neeraj.
You sit. Vishmay. Go, Pela, go.
Go. Virat, straight. Go, Virat.
Just come to
Ishan got it.
Score, Jay.
Get back, Ishan, yeah, man. Hey. Go. Shot.
निकाल दे इसको डालना उसके
Come on, that's the ball. Alan Mike, come on, man.
नहीं नहीं इसका
Goal, goal, 2 goals.
Adit,
3 goals.
take it, man. Adit, to the wings. Adit, take
5 minutes is there, 3
To the
goals.
wing, Adit. To the wings, Adit. To the wing.
होम को चेंज कर जयेश पर
So home which we selected.
Virat, Virat. Where positioning Virat? Virat inside.
ओए यार
This guy, Virat.
डोंट वॉक इन
इसको करा भी रुक जा भाई
होम का 60 नहीं है जयेश का 60 है
अरे यार
Adit, Adit, take it.
Home का
Hey,
11
Adit. Virat, Virat, Virat.
Come here, come here.
wait coach wait sir one more
one more okay
Come, hurry up.
call the players out
Run.
wait he has started wait Silver jersey number 10 jersey number 10 and Om is jersey number wait.
Om.
What is his jersey number
11
11
Come on, run.
let them come out come out quick come out please
Virat, play, sir.
get in
Go up. Virat, go up. Press, go for the press. Adit, go.
Run. See him only. See him.
Alan Mike,
Very
go.
close like that.
Adit, go.
Hey,
Come on,
don't
clear,
play
clear,
that
clear.
ball.
Virat, forward ball, get back.
Danuka, run.
Ball is on.
जाना दिखाओ शो में सर
Play, Aryan.
Push him.
शॉट ये लेफ्ट है क्या
Push him. Adit.
शो में
Got it. Come on. Nishan, up it, look. Neeraj, got it. Pass. Clear the ball. Got it, guys. Adit.
चल भाई समर
Good man, Janab.
Get back. Advik.
जरा सर बॉल
Got it, Adit. Forward ball.
Ball back. Aryan, behind the ball. Janab.
Fall throw man, fall throw. अरे रेफ को fall throw देने बोलना
All throw है ये.
Aryan, behind the ball.
Adit,
Come this side.
Adit up.
Lakun. Can you talk?
Virat, forward. Adit. Get back. Quick, ball. Neeraj, tell him to go through.
Ruan, left side. Ball throw.
Got it, Adit. Neeraj. Got it first. Just stop it. Just stop it first. Now dribble.
go
That's it, Gagan. Nice one.
Good one, Gagan.
See.
Gagan.
Adit, dribble, Adit.
गगन face the ball good Ismail
Adit, front.
Ruan. Come here. Janab, stay.
Janvika
Virat, forward throw. Adit, take the ball, Adit.
Janav don't turn away
Yes, nice one, Vishnu.
Come on, go. Virat, Neeraj, go up. Ishan, take it. Adit. Ishan. But. Hey, come here, man. Hey, come here. Cover him.
No.
Ishan
Throw in.
on the goal.
Hey. Wait. From the corner. He took it from this line.
Retake, go take.
Come on,
go
yaar,
take. Ishan, corner spot Ishan. Ishan,
लेने से पहले बोलना था
harder on the goal.
अरे वैसे गोल होता है हम लोग पे।
Kamal.
That is not a correct
Virat,
restart.
come on, head the ball.
Goal.
Neeraj, come on, Neeraj, move.
That was throw in. You given a wrong decision.
Hello, hey. Chiro. This line, where is he putting the ball? Okay.
Ishan, harder. Adit.
No, because that time it was even further.
तो भाई you give me advantage for them that is wrong
Both, if it is a not proper restart, it is not a restart.
that is start
That advantage does not count if it is not a proper restart.
given advantage for them
Adit, come on, stay there. But. Nihan.
yeah can you go up
Neeraj, stay. Hey, Ishan.
with the last man
Anand bhai. Go. Ishan, go on.
Go up, but stay on side. Turn up. Run. Face the ball. Face the ball.
Long ball.
Go ahead,
On the goal, up. Advik, wait man, Adit, wait. Everyone up. Go man, Advik. Neeraj, on the goal. Wait.
Play.
On the goal, put it on the goal. Ah.
Up.
Go, get back. Come on, get back. Aditesh, come on.
Run. Nakul, you go. Vitul, take Vitul place. Tanvika. Janab, come here, run, come here. Run. Nakul, go inside, go.
Hey, 2v1 है।